Okay, now we're gonna do SI joints. So more than likely you'll do both obliques when we get to it. But the AP, you look a little crooked still. And you're fine. So we're gonna go ahead and add that tube angle to 35 degrees cephalic. They say women need a little bit more of an angle because their lumbar is curved a little more than males. If you had a male here, you'd be about 30 degrees cephalic. I'll have my bucky up. Where are you, my bucky? There's my line. Did I turn it on? Oh, it's just really bright in here. I'm not used to it being so bright. I gotta draw this guy way back here. Okay, now line up. Pretty good angle for that AP SI. So they say in the book that you're going to be 2 inches below ASIS now. So we're going to drop that down and go mid-sag with the long crosshair. And that should be your AP SI. 35 degrees for her, cephalic. Center 2 inches below ASIS. I did come down to a 10 by 12 lengthwise for this. Now for the SI obliques. You can pick whatever oblique you want to do first. I'm going to bring this back because I don't need an angle. I'm going to be perpendicular. Unless you want to get fancy, which we can. So again, a 10 by 12 lengthwise is all you need for this. I'm going to go ahead and rotate her about 25 to 30 degrees. Now I'm going to use a smaller sponge because I think it will allow me to bring her back a little bit. Remember, we used 45 for the L spine, so we're going to use not quite half last. I'm going to roll up that way, come on back. So it's not a huge amount. I'm going to bring that right arm up there. You can leave your legs just fine like that. Find her ASIS, and we're going to be centered right at it this way. And we're going to go 1 inch medial with the other crosshair. Turn off on. So right here is our ASIS line. This crosshair, we're just going to bring an inch medial. Okay. Now, if you wanted to get fancy and that distal joint isn't very open, maybe you noticed that on the AP, we could get fancy and add a 15-degree caudal angle, centered at the same spot. And that will open up your distal SI joint. That's what I said about getting fancy. Let's come back. So we already did our LPO, which is going to demonstrate the right SI. So whatever side is up, away from the IR, that's the side you're demonstrating. So we're in an LPO, we're demonstrating the right SI joint. I lost my right marker. Just grab a spare here. Mark it with the right. And then that's going to demonstrate our right SI joint in the LPO. Now we're going to do the same thing but the opposite way. I'm just going to have you come opposite. Roll. Come on back. Again, that 25 to 30. I might have you come up just a little bit more. Yeah, that looks good. Put my right marker on. Oops. Left marker. Side is up. And again, find that ASIS. You're going to center right there. I'm just a little bit distal. And that crosshair coming down this way, we're going to go from ASIS an inch medial. If you look at a pelvis, you'll notice that the SI joints aren't very medial from the ASIS. You're probably about that inch. Remember, for our L spinal oblique, we went 2 inches medial from the ASIS. So again, I feel like it's not calling me where I want. And again, if you wanted to get fancy, you could add that 15-degree caudal angle, open up that lower joint of the SI joint. Have you taken a deep breath, blow it out, hold it out, don't breathe a move, beep. We are in an RPO. We are demonstrating the left SI joint. Okay, good job.
That was amazing.